Source Code Data Collection Service Overview. In this video, we will demonstrate the query capabilities available with the Source Code Data Collection Service. Source code data is updated regularly from the stream content and before builds run. No source files are loaded in the Eclipse workspace yet. For this video, we have already defined several sample source code data queries. We will edit this query to see how it has been defined. For this query, we want to find all COBOL files in the selected stream. The query results are listed in the source code data view. Here we have added a criterion and selected main as the file type for the search. And in this query, we have an additional search criterion. We are searching for the programs that contain JKEC in the file name. In this final query, we have added two criteria. We are searching for the programs that include copybook JKEMTCOM. We use the impact analysis tool to search for this program's dependencies. The search found the copybook itself and another copybook that depends on it. Now we will run this query again. From the query results, we can open the corresponding source file. We can't open the local version of the source because the file isn't loaded in the Eclipse workspace yet. However, we can open the remote source because the file is shared in the stream. We'll use the impact analysis tool to search for this program's dependencies. The search found two copybooks that the file depends on. Again, we can't open the local version of the source file. However, again, we can open the remote source because the copybook is shared in the stream. This time, we will use the impact analysis tool to search for the source files that include this copybook. The search found three programs that include the copybook. Now we will load two Z component projects into the Eclipse workspace. The loaded files are shown in any view that displays the local projects. You can see the Z component project, the Z folder, and the Z files. A Z file is associated with the language definition, which provides instructions for how the Z file should be built. Each Z file is associated with the language definition. We can generate a list of all the language definitions by using the System Definition Search tool. The Search view shows all the language definitions and their associated Z files in the loaded Eclipse workspace. Now we will look at the details of this language definition. The language definition lists any associated translators. A default source code scanner is listed. The scanner scans the source code and collects dependency data. Now we will run one of the predefined queries. Now that the source files are loaded in the Eclipse workspace, we can open the local version of the source. We can view the source code data with the Source Code Data Editor. The editor displays the source code data and lists the dependencies that this file has on other resources. We will use the Impact Analysis tool again to determine the impact that a particular change will have on all dependent files that are stored in the Source Control Manager. This time we change the stream for the search. The search found all the programs in the stream we selected that include the copybook. And that concludes our demonstration. Thanks for watching.